Good morning everyone. I am Lindsay Bautista and today we will be tackling the lesson 2 which is the basic lesson in Photoshop. So, ngayon identify natin kung ano ba yung Photoshop, kung ano ba ang function ng Photoshop at kung paano natin gagamitin at ang Photoshop at saka yung mga tools na gagamitin natin para sa pag-edit natin ng picture. So, dito sa Photoshop is a photo editing software that edits photos, images, should be in Jasper image format. It is available in different languages such as English, Chinese, Japanese, Dutch, Polish, and so on. So, nowadays, Photoshop is known as Adobe Photoshop. So, dito sa Photoshop, ano nga ba, maratakan natin kung ano nga ba yung purpose, ano yung function, bakit tayo may Photoshop, bakit natin ginagamit yung Photoshop sa pag-e-edit natin ng picture or ng ating videos. So, Photoshop, ginagamit natin siya. It is a software application that we can use for editing photo or retouching yung ating mga images and also to enhance the color. Kung halimbawa, gusto mong palit ng background, nag-picture ka sa bahay, then papalitan mo ng background na ikaw ay nasa beach, pwedeng-pwede yun sa Photoshop. So, dito, Photoshop is a user-friendly, most powerful, and widely used image graphics editing software developed by Adobe. Adobe Photoshop is basically raster-based image editing software with multiple layers and features such as masking, image wrapping, tools, and alpha composition, fluid camera, rotation, and file display tools. So, ito yung mga maaari nating gawin sa isang Photoshop kapag once na gusto mong i-enhance yung iyong photos or images. So, in 1988, Thomas and John Knoll developed the first basic version of Photoshop. Later, it was taken over by Adobe system. So, nag-create or nag-develop daw po ng Photoshop is si Thomas Knoll at si John Knoll. Then, later on, parang dinevelop or mas pinaganda siya ni Adobe system. Kaya siya ngayon tinatawag natin na Adobe Photoshop. So, then the software has been upgraded and updated with more advanced features, set of tools, and commands. The Photoshop CC version is the latest version series and it is part of the Adobe Creative Cloud brand. The Photoshop family has some other software consisting of Photoshop Lightroom, Photoshop Elements, Photoshop Fix, and Express, and other software. So, ito, how to open, paano tayo, first, you can download Photoshop app sa Google Chrome, search nyo lang, then lalabas naman dun yung ating Photoshop. Then, how to open the Photoshop. So, begin by opening the Adobe Photoshop. So, yun yung first step. Open nyo muna po yung Adobe Photoshop. So, on PC, kapag gumagamit po kayo ng PC o personal computer, click Start, Programs, then Adobe Shop. Then, click on the shortcut on the desktop. Dito po sa setting up your document correctly from the start will make your job easier as you work through the project. This will require some advanced planning. For example, if your final output will be a brochure, you may need a setup of your document to be horizontal or double-sided. So, dun po sa setting up your document, it is very important because for example, mag-i-start ka ng isang document, dun mo ay ma-identify, dun mo ayusin kung anong size ng iyong gagawing output, kung ano yung resolution, kung ano yung pixels or inches ang gagamitin mo. So, yan. Halimbawa po dito, may papakita natin yung title. Pwede po tayong maglagay ng title dito kung ano yung magiging title or name ng ating output. Then the document type, which is landscape portrait. Then dito sa width po, pwede tayong gumamit ng inches. Tapos resolution ay depende po yan sa inyo. Tatandaan po natin na ang paggamit na sa resolution, the higher the resolution, the more it become beautiful and mas malinaw po. Dito naman sa color, pwede tayong pumili dyan. Next po natin is the page size and orientation. Change the page size by typing in the new values for width and height. Page size represents the final size you want after bleeds or trimming other marks. In the preset drop-down menu, you can find such as common sizes as letter, legal, or tabloid. So, ito po yung mga halimbawa ng size ng ating magiging final output. Pwede po tayong mamili. Then, resolution, however, yun po yung kagaya na sabi ko kanina, however, the high resolution, it increases the size of file. So, sa pagtaas, parang sobrang 20 or sa 1,500 na resolution mo, parang magiging, ang MB niyan lampas na ng 20, pataas na. Dito naman po sa color mode, choose a color mode that will best fit your project. For example, you're making a graphic or a website, choose RBG. So, dito po, when making an image, RBG pa red, blue, then green. Kung yun po, kung gagawa po daw tayo na sa website. Pero pagka image naman, pwede tayong mag-choose sa CYMK. Ito. This is the layout of Photoshop interface. So, dito po makikita natin yung mga menu or yung toolbars. Ito, the toolbars. Ito po yung ginagamit natin sa pag-edit ng picture. Then, the image name, yung pangalan po ng ating layout. The main menu, which is the layer, the palettes, and the colors. Pwede po tayo dito mamili. And also the layers. Kapag ka po ito, halimbawa, ay nakalock, pwede po natin i-duplicate yung image para po ma-edit natin siya na mas maayos. Yan. Dito po sa interface layout. Ito naman po yung mga bars or toolbar na ginagamit natin sa pag-i-edit ng picture natin or ng image. Yan, menu bar, toolbar, and the image bar. Sa menu bar, if you look at the top of your screen, you will see the menu bar which contains all the main functions of Photoshop such as file, edit, image, layer, select, filter, view, window, and help. So dito, yan po makikita natin dito. Yung file, edit, image, ito po yung tinatawag nating menu bar. Then the toolbar naman, it is the most major tools are located in the tool for easy access. Ito naman po sa toolbar, yan naman po, yan. Ito po yung toolbar natin ginagamit. For example, magka-crop, mag-add tayo ng color, ng text. Kapag tatanggalin po natin yung background ng image, mag-change ng color. So, yan po yung mga halimbawa ng toolbar. And also, the image will appear in its window once you open the file. So, ang image po, mag-open siya or lalabas siya kapag once na in-open mo yung file. So, dito, open lang po natin yung Photoshop.